Okay, when I was asked to say something about fall tonight, for sure, sabi ko, naku, iyakan to. Tsaka naman kung magdadala ako ng towel, diba? Kaya tissue na lang. Okay, may storya tong tissue to. Okay. First thing I did this morning was to go to Fall's office, no, to get his tissue box. No. He always had this in his office kasi crying room yung opisina niya. Pero isa-isa lang ang kuha ng tissue kasi mahal daw to. Mahal daw ang bili ni Leslie. Okay. I was one of the people in the hospital when Fall passed. I am just thankful that one of the last memories I have of him is seeing him still so loving to Leslie. He was asking Leslie to kiss him, to hold him. He was also looking for the kids. Jess said, si Jet, he was one of the people who brought him to the hospital. When Fall became conscious, first thing Fall looked for were Leslie and the kids. Yung may impact sa akin kasi sa memory ko kay Fall is his love for his family. Overwhelming, no? His love for Leslie, he was loud and proud of it. In all our business trips, the first agenda was to buy Leslie's bags, no, and the pasalubong for the boys. Pag namili si Fall ng bag ni Leslie, parang walang bukas. Our trip to Hong Kong, December 2010, sa Prada, kung di mo pipigilan, baka nabili na niya yung buong store. And he went back several times because he wanted to buy 2 or 3 more. But Leslie, I have an admission to make today, no? Hindi lang ikaw ang honey niya. Okay. Imagine a grown man calling another grown man honey. No, he called my husband, si Erwin, honey. And pag tinawag niya ng honey, pasigaw pa yan in public. So minsan ako yung nahihiya. Nagtatawagan silang honey. So even my husband asked me last Saturday night, paano yan, wala nang tatawag ng honey sa akin? Si Jet na lang daw. In the hospital, unfortunately, I was also one of those who saw through a very small space between the wall and the curtain, attempt to bring him back. Everything happened so fast, no, and so soon. I don't think I was able to digest everything immediately. That's why I was not so emotional last Friday. Some people even said I looked calm and cool. I had moments, but every time I welled up, I thought of Leslie and the boys, and I couldn't afford to cry. I couldn't accept that hurt was what I was feeling because if I was hurting, what more sila? I couldn't find the right words to describe what I felt inside, so I was just numb. It sank in Saturday morning when I read Margie's text saying that embalming was finished. I never expected to associate the word embalming to Fall. It was so hard also to be addressing him with was and were. He was always present, so accessible, and then all of a sudden, wala na siya. I wrote something on Facebook and I'd like to read some of it tonight. I found the words to describe the pain and the grief. Nawalan ako ng kapatid. Paul was the brother not only to me but to the entire team he led and cared for every day of his life. He was the brother who bullied you to make you tougher, the brother who pushed you to the wall because he believed in you and that you could give more, the brother at times who you wanted to hate because he just couldn't say no for an answer. Just couldn't take no for an answer. The brother who never stopped believing in you, and the brother who would play pranks on you. Kaya nga parang, sana prank lang to eh, no? And one of our friends, si Mika, said na parang when he saw the fall, gusto niya sabihin, tayo ka na dyan, hindi ka na nakakatuwa. Despite the arguments, heated debates, and even shouting bouts, he was a brother who protected, inspired, and loved us. Si Fall hated it when I said, hindi ko na kaya, or hindi ko kaya yung pinagagawa mo. Walang kamatayang insulto yung matatanggap ko sa kanya, which forces me to do, my task anyway. And when the end result na kaya ko pala, walang kamatayang insulto pa rin ang natatanggap ko. If he simply kept quiet, it meant you didn't care or you didn't matter to him. When he was finally gone, the first thing I said was, paano na kami? We've been so used to Fall being around, no? Or being accessible even when he was on vacation, kahit may sakit. Fall, you were always a text, a call, or a DM away, kahit sa Facebook or Twitter nagtatrabaho tayo. I know in my heart you will still be there to inspire us, push us, and even nag us. You left because you wanted more room for growth for the people you are leaving behind. Hanggang sa huli, may grand plan ka pa rin. You've always wanted me to take your place. I've always turned it down because I know I could never be a fall runner. Hanggang sa huli, pinubuli mo pa rin ako to step up. Don't worry, I know you would want us to move on and move forward and make you even prouder. We are not fall runner trained for nothing. When you were alive, they couldn't find anyone to replace you. They will never find anyone as passionate, as sincere, as talented, and as generous as you. Whoever it will be, he or she will have big, inexpensive branded shoes to fill. I will painfully miss our lunches, kahit napapalaki yung gastos namin kasi ang mahal-mahal ng taste mo. We'll surely miss our coffee and dessert at Classic Confections because he would treat us every after lunch sa Classic Confections. Siya yung nagbabayad. If we attempted to pay KKB, magagalit yan. Ang sasabihin niya is, are you insulting my wealth? We'll dedicate our One for the Road to you each and every time, no? We hold it. Mapapigi-wigi man yan or Dillingers. If there are words 1 million times greater than thank you, I will say it 1 million times over. As I always say, kakaiba ka, fall runner. Collector's item ka talaga. Marami kang trabahong iniwan. So what's new? Kaya alam ko, kailangan na naming umpisahan. So, huwag kang mag-alala, gagawin naman namin yung iniwan mo. Thank you.